Miss Lisa,
Yes.
name 3 words that best describe Christmas for you.
I would say Christ, family, and food.
What is your favorite Christmas movie?
I would say Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. We like to watch it, and then I recite it over and over until everybody gets mad at me.
Thoughts on eggnog?
What is a nog?
Which of your coworkers is the Grinch in disguise?
Danny from Warranty.
Tree up before or after Thanksgiving?
Definitely before, just because there's no suitable decorations for Thanksgiving.
Do you agree? What is the most controversial Christmas opinion you have?
I'm gonna have to go with if you don't wrap the Christmas present, you don't love the person as much as if you just were to put it into a sack. You show your love by if you wrap the gift.
That's deep. Would you rather go caroling or be caroled to?
I guess be caroled too, because I'm not the greatest singer.
Valid. What is the true meaning of Christmas to you?
The true meaning of Christmas to me is celebrating Jesus and being with all of your loved ones.
Would you rather have a snowball fight or build a snow fort with The Office?
I would rather have a snowball fight.
Who would you peg first?
Dylan.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
My favorite Christmas tradition is getting together with my family before midnight. Then when midnight strikes, we get together, exchange hugs, presents, and just be thankful to be together another year.
If you were Santa Claus, what cookie would you want to be left out for you on Christmas Eve?
Snickerdoodle.
That's so basic. What is your favorite Christmas hack?
Amazon Prime, no doubt. Thank you, Mr. Bezos.
And that's a wrap. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.